4th of July.
What in the world have you and Daddy brought down here? A big paddleboard. Ah! Toki, did they throw you some candy?
Now you eat it.
Yes, you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the.
Good morning. Welcome to the JK today.
Happy
4th of July.
Yay.
Woo! We are doing the parade a little different this year. We're not in the parade. We are going to be bystanders, right?
That's right. Let's go. We gotta get there. Come on,
Wait,
kids. Who's ready?
Grandma's already walked out. We had to wake the kids up with some music this morning.
She's trying to figure out how to paint her hair.
Oh, Sophie, show
Sophie's
them how
ready.
cute
Let's go.
you
Let's go. You
look.
got your frisbee to go. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Where
We're
we going?
ready. I like your bathing suit, buddy. Maybe a hat for your hair. All right, Granddaddy, let's go. Let's go. Parade's starting. Woohoo! Oh, look. That's the only brought candy. That's what I just said. Get the candy.
Uh-oh, lemon head challenge. Where you going?
Toki, did they throw you some candy? Did they throw you some candy, baby?
And look at me, guys.
You ready for some watermelon? Yes, we are hot. How about you, watermelon? Oh look, there's your nose. We haven't gotten your nose. Oh Emmy, I see popsicles. You want a popsicle? Or watermelon? Go get you one. Ooh, yum. Daddy beat us to the watermelon.
I already found it.
Yum, look at that. Oh, what do you think? It's watermelon. You like it?
I don't know about that, Mom.
Come on, baby, eat it. Eat that watermelon.
Nope. Now you eat it. How is it? Did you get a popsicle? Sit.
Soki, Daddy found what you like,
Would
baby.
you like a popsicle?
Oh, yeah, that's good. That cool you out, doesn't it? Oh, good girl.
Give you a blue tongue.
And he will. You little hot dog.
We found Granddaughter.
We made it to the beach. And what in the world have you and Daddy brought down here? What in the world? A big paddle board. We're gonna get ready and do some paddle boarding.
You're not though.
I'm not. Why don't I get to do it?
Yeah, I don't feel like you would want to do it.
I might want to do it. I might want to. Emmy, are you gonna do it? Yeah? Madeline, you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Look at Madeline's 4th of July bathing suit. So cute. Everybody's sporting the 4th of July suits. They're suiting up. They're taking it to the water. Choppy. Trying to watch Bennett. Whoa, my goodness. Looks like they had enough. How was it? Bennett, how was it? How was it? What do you think? Huh? Did y'all go? I saw y'all go all the way out there to that clear water. Was it deep or shallow? It was deep. Why is it so clear?
It got a lot shallower.
But it's still deep, isn't it? Oh wow. Are the girls taking a turn now? Oh, fun. You going? Alright, here. Tell everybody bye. It was nice knowing you. Alright, Emmy. Take care of my baby out there now. No, don't let her fall in where the sharks are. Don't let her fall in.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun. Okay, get up there. That life vest getting in her way. Strap that little strap around your foot. I got it. Okay. Off they go. Oh my goodness. Stay. They didn't have any kids life vests, so they were already out of them. Apparently this is popular. There's like people everywhere want them out here. I guess that's better than nothing though, huh? Maybe? Adding on little nuts. Oh gosh. Oh look, Italy's just being a princess out there. She's just laying down like, chauffeur me, Daddy, chauffeur me. Take me to the sea. What a princess. He's right here where the waves break. What's he thinking? Look, if he's looking for stuff, they're like really close in. Ah! Ah, no! How was it? Was that fun? Uh-huh. Oh my goodness, you look like a little princess out there. Look at me. You were just a little princess out there. Laying down, making Daddy do all the work. I see how you play. That's the way to go, girl. How was it? Muscle Man?
It's fun.
It's fun. I know, it looked like it was fun.
Holy moly, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, it is.
Uh-oh, look who got on the, what's it called, Emily? so we are walking out here in the ocean with the camera. That could be good or bad news.
Look.
What'd you get? Cool. Oh, she's got Kelly's sunglasses on too. Uh-oh! How was it? Hey, what's this thing called? Paddleboard. That's what I forgot what it's called. How is it?
Alright, so Madeline and I are in charge of videoing what do you say?
Cartwheel contest.
Cartwheel contest. Alright, here it
Wind
goes.
is like
It's
hurting my
whipping. I hope you can hear me. Here we go.
All right, round one.
Alright, 4. I give you a 4.
That's like a 10.
Emmy, go.
2.
Woo! I give you a 5 plus 4. I give you a 9.
Wait, how did she get a 9? Whoa! Holy moly! 2, 2, 2.
Maybe like 2.
2 across the board. All right, Bennett, your turn. All right, you got a 3.5. Oh, that was good. That beat Mommy and Bennett. It probably didn't beat me though. That's good. 10 all around.
5.
10.
Oh, it's about a 4.
2. Next. Back 1.5. Bennett's request. Go. The votes are in. The winner by unanimous decision. Me. Ah! Yeah. Okay. Second place, Emily. Last place, Kelly. Sorry. People voted. That's all we can do. Sorry, the people voted. Hey, leave a vote. Let us know in the comments who did the best.
Voter.
All right, guys, leave us a comment. Let us know who won.
Happy 4th of July. Emmy.
Emily, let me light this.
Happy 4th of July.
Oh, my is.
Right. Woo!
You got it now, buddy. Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, write my name. Okay.
Let me go look for some more.
Happy 4th of July! I'll light it, hold on.
What do you call? Are those the Roman candles?
No, these are just crazy sparkles. Emily,
You want one?
where are you?
Yeah.
Wait, like that.
Y'all ready for this?
Are we getting ready to light this one? Dragonfly, is that what you said, Bennett? Cool, what's it supposed to do?
Spin around.
Oh.
Let's light it up. Let's get back. Who knows what it's gonna do?
Let's back up a little bit then. That was pretty.
Oh, it fell in the tree.
It's pretty.
Come to the water where you will find peace.
Alright, so we're not supposed to do
Take a
this,
step
so
into the river.
you saw that one?
Get
That
down
was it. No
on
more.
your knees. Come to
We got
the
an eyeball?
mountain.
What
Take it in the
does an eyeball do?
You will find that life is greater than you knew.
blurry.
When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will
This is
shelter, I will fight, I will fight. You're broken and you're shattered.
I don't know. What does it
Point
spell?
of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step
Alright guys, hope you had a fantastic 4th of July. Jay's getting ready to set off the last little bitty fireworks that's okay to do in the neighborhood. We love you. We'll see you later. Have a great night, great day. We love you.
We'll fight. Oh, yeah. I will fight.
Ew!
Okay, so our last thing fizzled out,
Totally a dud.
but maybe we got one more.
Alright, did you find another one?
Well, something different, but let's see if these.
Alright, let's see.
I will fight. So come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees.